Welcome to Oil Shop Supplies. We didn't invent the oil change sticker. We made it better. We are the automotive industry's leading oil change reminder printer designer, manufacturer, and supplier. We provide top-of-the-line service because we understand the importance of that customer and service provider relationship. That's why we created our own line of Indy printers to help streamline their workload. Our printers provide clear and concise information about the condition of customers' vehicles to help keep them better informed. They're also standalone and come with everything needed to get them printing in a matter of minutes. We also create custom labels to enhance company branding. Our labels are professional, don't fade, and can easily be read by the customer for their next service. We look forward to helping our customers grow and retain their business. We are Oil Shop Supplies. We also create and carry a wide catalog of other essential auto shop supplies that can be found by visiting our website at oilshopsupplies.com.